What I've noticed here is, check this out. So here's what we found inside the gas tank. As you can see, that there is water, and we have the gas on top. So somehow we have got a bunch of water into the system here. So we need to clean out the gas tank, the fuel line, and the carburetor. I'm going to tip the mower up like this so we can get a better look at the carburetor, because we do need to take the carburetor float bowl off now and drain out the remaining gas out of the system. And that's the float bowl there. 10mm nut on the bottom of the carburetor.